Have you ever woken up feeling like you're stepping on needles? Or that sharp pain in your heel that follows you all day? That was me for months. It started as a slight ache, ... But soon even simple things like shopping or getting out of bed without pain became difficult. I tried everything. Creams, cheap insoles, even exercises from the internet. Nothing really worked. Until one day I stumbled upon something that made immediate sense. And better yet, it worked. It's not magic, nor an expensive treatment. It's simple, affordable, and discreet, but with a huge impact on my quality of life. I'm not speaking as an expert, but as someone who had daily pain, and today, none at all. If you also suffer from foot pain, plantar fasciitis, heel spurs, or discomfort while walking, take a look at what helped me. I've left the link in the description and also in the first comment, in case you want to check it out calmly. No pressure. Learn a lot through pain, ... But some things you only discover once the pain finally goes away. That's what happened to me. It's worth it for the relief. It's worth it for you.